Everyone, welcome to my new vlog on TCS NQT results updates. So in this vlog we are going to discuss on the TCS NQT results. So it is finally out. TCS NQT results are finally out. As I already said earlier also that it would get declared by 15th of July, and today is 14th of July. So we can see that it has already been getting declared in batches. So let's get started. So as of now, some of the students have received interview mails or interview result mails. Those who had appeared in May 17th or 18th or June 20th, they have started receiving their mails, and mainly regions of Odisha and Maharashtra has started receiving mails in batches. The other regions will also be getting them soon. So subscribe my channel to get update on interview mail related your updates on which day which region is going to get the interview mails. So whenever I get any notification or any update from anyone, I would be posting them then and there. So please subscribe to know on which day which region is going to receive the mails. So college interview results of some colleges have also been declared by their TPOs. As of now, there is already some information that some colleges have given them confirmed results along with their roll numbers, and there is nothing to worry about for those who didn't receive the mail. They would be getting as they are sending them in batches. And C is actually this: you will be receiving the heading as TCS NQT 2025 document verification check to be shared by 3 p.m. today. This is a mail that has been received on 14th of July by the candidate. So here you can see that it is clearly written that thank you for being a part of TCS NQT 2025 hiring, and in continuation to the hiring process, we are going to verify your very preliminary educational documents. So they would be sending by 3 p.m. 14th July 2025 what are the documents that they need. So I would be creating a separate vlog on what are the documents that you should carry, but as of now the good news is the results have started coming out, and the amount of anxiousness and eagerness that you all were waiting about for so many number of days from the month of May, finally some good responses can come. So thank you for watching the vlog. Do subscribe my channel to get notified on which day which region is going to get the interview mails. So whenever I get any information, I would be posting then and there. Thank you for watching.